Hello, it's Janello. On this week's episode, we are transforming this garage, which is also sometimes the studio or the set, into an epic Christmas dinner party extravaganza. We're in the Northeast, and it is cold. It has been cold. But we have this little window between the 24th and the 25th that looks like it's going to be in the 50s. So we have got a whole bunch of things that might keep us a little bit warm so that we can do a proper, safe Christmas dinner. It's been hard on all of us. It's been hard on us to not get together and eat, especially during these holidays. So we're going to try and make the most of the situation and turn this garage into Christmas. Okay, so Operation Winter Wonderland dinner party is beginning. I feel like it's like 35 degrees right now. That's probably a little warmer. Maybe it's 40. Okay, here's what we got. We've got some white tablecloth, lots of long reels, a big long reel of this. We're gonna drape and close off all this garbage, make a pure white room. Then we're gonna hang these decorative balls, lampshades. We're not going to light them from the ceiling, which is going to make it festive. We've got some silvers that fell on the floor. And then, last but not least, we've got two things of Christmas lights that I didn't get to put on the house because it snowed and da-da-da-da, so we're going to hang them in here and make some ambiance. Okay, that's going to take a long time. First, we got to clean up all of this craziness. Okay, quick update. We're almost done doing the walls. I only have this little section here left to do, but you can see I've already done the rest of the conversion, and you're probably thinking either this is a Walter White situation or it's going to be Christmas. I promise you it will be the latter. Okay, phase 2 completed and phase 3 completed. We've got some festivities. All that we have to do now is hang the lights. All right, that was pretty quick, pretty easy. Lights are up. Let's put you down right here. Can you see? Okay. We do a light test. There you go. When we set this table, you're not going to know the difference between this garage and a winter wonderland. Good morning. It is Christmas Eve. Looking at the temperature here in the Northeast, we decided to flip our normal Christmas Day traditions and have them on Christmas Eve because it's going to be about 52 degrees today at the high, right when we'll be having dinner at this table. Tomorrow, by contrast, it'll be in the high 20s. This morning, I just got to finish up the table, put the chairs around it, and then we can get to the food. All right, table's up. You got a centerpiece. You got a table. All right, so that brings us to Christmas Day, because that whole party thing happened on Christmas Eve, like I said, because the temperature was better. I hope you had a great time and a great holiday as well. I will see you all next year.